Welcome back to Product Critique. And today, we're diving into what we consider the best Raspberry Pi 400 kit you can get your hands on. The Raspberry Pi 400 Computer Kit, US keyboard layout 16 GB. Let's get straight to it. At first glance, the Raspberry Pi 400 looks like a sleek, minimalist keyboard. But don't be fooled, this is not just a keyboard. This is a fully integrated personal computer built right into the keyboard chassis. All you need to do is plug it into a monitor, and you're up and running. Inside the keyboard lies a 1.8 GHz quad-core ARM Cortex-A72 processor, part of the Broadcom BCM2711 chip. Despite being compact and affordable, it offers solid performance for everyday computing, education, coding, and even some lightweight development. The kit includes a 16 GB micro SD card preloaded with Raspberry Pi OS. That's your operating system and storage all in one. It boots fast, runs smoothly, and supports a wide range of software from Python and Scratch to Chromium and LibreOffice. Perfect for both first-time tinkerers and experienced developers. Connectivity is not an issue here. You get dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, Gigabit Ethernet, 3 USB ports, and 2 micro HDMI ports, allowing dual 4K monitor support. And yes, the included 1-meter micro HDMI to HDMI-A cable makes sure you're not running around looking for the right connector. This particular model comes with the US keyboard layout, which is familiar and comfortable for most users. It's fanless and whisper quiet, making it ideal for classrooms, libraries, or just late-night tinkering without annoying background noise. The keyboard itself is high quality, responsive and sturdy. It's not mechanical, but it feels good to type on. The layout includes all standard keys, plus the function keys are thoughtfully integrated with Pi-specific shortcuts. Setup is straightforward. Connect power using the USB-C power supply, plug in the micro HDMI cable to your display, insert the micro SD card, and you're greeted with the Raspberry Pi desktop environment in seconds. Whether you're learning to code, browsing the web, or working on a DIY project, it gets the job done, without the clutter of a traditional PC tower. Because it's a Raspberry Pi, you're also stepping into one of the largest tech communities in the world. You'll find an endless supply of tutorials, forums, GitHub projects, and YouTube walkthroughs to help you make the most of this kit. If you're ready to unlock creativity, learning, and productivity in a single, affordable package, this is it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more hands-on reviews that help you find the gear that's right for you. See you in the next one.